Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How is your day going? Are you feeling okay or are you feeling tired, worried or stuck in your own head? If your mind feels busy and heavy, this video is for you. Today we will talk about something very real. We will talk about overthinking and we will talk about you. Overthinking means thinking too much about one thing. You think about it again and again. You cannot stop. It happens at night. It happens at work. It happens when you are trying to relax. It steals your peace. But there is good news. You can learn to quiet your mind. You can learn to focus on your again. You can learn to focus on yourself again. It does not need big changes. It needs small daily habits, simple ones, real ones. Before we start, if this video helps you, please like it. Please subscribe too. It helps this channel grow. Now, let's begin. Chapter 1. Know what overthinking really is. Overthinking feels like a machine that never turns off. You lie in bed, your body is tired, but your mind is running. You think about a text message. Why did they say that? You think about a mistake from years ago. You think about tomorrow. What if it goes wrong? This is normal sometimes. Everyone does it a little, but when it happens every day, it becomes a problem. It steals your sleep, it steals your energy, it steals your joy. Here is something important. Thinking is not the same as solving. You can think about a problem for hours and still have no answer. Thinking too much does not mean you care more. It just means your mind is stuck in a loop. A loop is something that repeats again and again with no end. Your thoughts go in circles, round and round. Nothing new happens, nothing gets better. The first step to stop overthinking is simple. Notice it. When you catch yourself thinking the same worry again, stop. Say to yourself, I am thinking right now. That small moment of noticing is powerful. It gives you a choice, and choice is where change begins. Chapter 2. Stop comparing your life to others. Do not scroll on your phone and feel worse after. You see someone's new house, you see someone's holiday photos, you see someone's success, and a quiet voice inside you says, why not me? This voice is very common, but it is not telling you the truth. Social media shows only the best moments. It does not show the hard mornings. It does not show the tears, the bills, the fear. People post their highlight reel, not their whole life. So when you compare your full life to someone's best 5 minutes, you will always feel behind. But you are not behind. You are just looking at half the picture. Every person walks a different road. Some people find success early. Some people find it late. Some people take a slow path and build something strong. There is no single correct speed for life. Here is a simple habit. Each morning write down one thing you are grateful for. Just one. It can be small, a warm cup of tea, a kind message from a friend, fresh air. This small habit trains your mind to notice your own life, not someone else's. Also try this. Turn off your phone for 1 hour a day. Use that hour for yourself. You will feel lighter. You will feel more like you. Chapter 3. Give yourself quiet time. When was the last time you sat in silence? No phone, no music, no talking, just quiet. For many people, silence feels strange. We fill every moment with noise. We check our phones while eating. We listen to something while walking. We are always connected, never alone. But your mind needs quiet, just like your body needs rest. Without quiet time, your thoughts pile up. They never get sorted. They stay messy like a room that is never cleaned. Try this simple habit. Sit somewhere calm for 10 minutes. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly in. Breathe slowly out. Let your thoughts come and go. You do not need to fix them. Just let them pass like clouds in the sky. You can also try a quiet walk. Leave your phone at home. Walk slowly, look at the trees, look at the sky, feel the ground under your feet. This kind of walk clears your mind more than any app or video ever could. Being alone does not mean being lonely. Loneliness is a sad feeling of missing people. Alone time is different. It is a gift you give yourself. It helps you hear your own voice again, not just the noise of the world. Chapter 4. Take care of your body first. Here is a simple truth. Your mind and your body are connected. When your body feels weak, your mind feels weak too. When you are tired, small problems feel huge. When you are well rested, the same problems feel much smaller. So before trying to fix your thoughts, take care of your body. Sleep well. Try to sleep 7 or 8 hours each night. Poor sleep makes your mind foggy and your emotions heavy. Going to bed at the same time each night trains your body to rest better. Drink water. Many people forget to drink enough water. This makes you tired and unfocused. Keep a bottle near you. Sip through the day. Eat simple, real food. You do not need a perfect diet. Just eat more vegetables and fruit. Eat less sugar and fast food. Small changes add up over time. Move your body. You do not need a gym. A short walk after dinner is enough. Stretching for 5 minutes in the morning is enough. Movements wakes up your body and calm your mind. These habits sound simple. That is the point. You do not need everything complicated. You need something you can actually do every single day. Chapter 5. Learn to say no. Do you say yes to everything even when you are tired? Even when you do not want to? Many people do this. They say yes to keep others happy, but every time you say yes to something you do not want, you say not to yourself. Your time and energy are limited. You only have one day, 24 hours, just like everyone else. If you give it all away, there is nothing left for you. Saying no is not rude. It is not selfish. It is healthy. You do not need a long explanation. A simple sentence is enough. I cannot do this today. I need some rest. That is all you need to say. At first, saying no may feel uncomfortable. You may feel guilty, but guilt fades, and in its place, you will feel something better. You will feel respect for yourself. Remember this, you cannot help others well if you are running on empty. Take care of yourself first, then you will have real energy to give. Chapter 6. Stop trying to please everyone. Do you often worry about what people think of you? Do you change your words, your actions, even your opinions just to be liked? This is called people pleasing. It comes from a fear of being disliked, and it is very tiring. Here is something to remember. You cannot please everyone, no matter how kind you are, no matter how hard you try. Some people will not like you. This is not because something is wrong with you. It is just how life works. Different people like different things. When you spend your life trying to please everyone, you slowly lose yourself. You stop saying what you really think. You start wearing a mask, showing a fake version of yourself to the world. Instead, ask yourself simple questions. What do I really want? What makes me happy? What matters to me? These questions bring you back to your true self. The people who truly matter will accept the real you, not the mask. Let go of the mask. Live as yourself. It feels scary at first, but it also feels free. Chapter 7. Build a simple morning routine. Do your mornings feel rushed and messy? You wake up, grab your phone, and already feel behind before the day even starts. A simple routine can fix this. A routine is just a set of small habits you repeat every day. It gives your mind structure, and structure brings calm. You do not need a complicated plan. Start small. Wake up at the same time each day. Drink a glass of water. Sit quietly for a few minutes, or write down 3 things you want to do today. These small actions tell your brain the day has begun. I am ready. This feeling of readiness reduces stress before it even starts. Also remember to include rest in your routine. Working without breaks makes your mind tired and slow. Short breaks help you focus better and think more clearly. A simple routine will not make your life perfect, but it will make your day feel steady, and steady days help a busy mind feel calm. Chapter 8. Limit your screen time. How many hours do you spend on your phone each day? Most people guess low and then feel shocked when they check the real number. Phones are built to keep you scrolling. New videos, new posts, new messages. It never really ends, and the more you scroll, the harder it becomes to focus on real life, real books, real conversations. Scrolling also feeds overthinking. You see bad news, you see arguments online, you see other people's lives. Your mind absorbs all of this, and it becomes harder to feel calm. Try small things. Turn off notifications. Set Set a daily time limit for social media apps. Choose real activities instead, like calling a friend, reading a few pages of a book, or simply sitting outside. At first, this feels difficult. Our minds are used to constant stimulation, but after a few days, it gets easier. Many people say the same thing after cutting screen time. They sleep better, they feel calmer, they enjoy their real life more. Chapter 9. Find something you enjoy. When did you last do something just for fun, not for work, not for anyone else, just for you? This is called a hobby. A hobby does not need to be impressive. It does not need to make money. It just needs to make you feel good. Hobbies matter more than people think. When your mind feels heavy, a hobby gives it a place to rest. It is like a small escape, a short break from stress. There are many hobbies to try: drawing, cooking, gardening, music, reading, sports. Try a few things until something feels right for you. Do not worry about being perfect at it. You are not trying to become a professional. You are trying to feel joy. Give yourself time to enjoy the process, not just the result. A hobby you love gives your day something to look forward to, and that small spark of joy can quiet a busy, overthinking mind. More than anything else. Chapter 10. Accept that you are not perfect. Here is a simple truth: nobody is perfect, not the people you admire, not the people online, not anyone. We all make mistakes, we all have bad days. This is part of being human, not a sign of failure. But many people are very hard on themselves. They expect perfection from every action, every word, every choice, and when they fail even a little, they speak to themselves in a harsh way. Would you speak that way to a friend? Probably not. So why speak that way to yourself? Trying to be perfect is exhausting. It brings stress and it steals your peace. Instead, try this simple shift in thinking. Mistakes are not the opposite of growth. They are part of growth. When you make a mistake, try saying this to yourself: that is okay. I am learning. I will try again. It feels strange at first, but slowly your mind begins to believe it. Progress matters more than perfection. Small steps done again and again build a strong and steady life. Chapter 11. Choose your people wisely. Think about the people around you. After spending time with them, how do you feel? Do you feel light and happy? Or do you feel tired and small? This feeling matters. Some people bring good energy into your life. They listen, they support you, they make you feel safe to be yourself. Other people do the opposite. They complain often, they criticize your choices. Being around them drains your energy like a battery running low. You cannot always choose everyone around you, but you can choose where you give your time and attention. Spend more time with people who lift you up. Spend less time with people who bring you down. This is not unkind, it is simply wise. Good relationships are built on trust and honesty, and these relationships help your mind feel calm, safe, and steady. Chapter 12. Set small, simple goals. Big dreams are wonderful, but big dreams can also feel scary. When a goal feels too far away, it is easy to give up before even starting. The answer is simple: break your big goal into small steps, very small steps. If you want to get healthier, do not say, I will exercise every day for 1 hour. Instead, say, I will walk for 10 minutes today. That is small, that is possible, that is enough to begin. Every small goal you finish builds confidence. Confidence grows from small wins, not one giant leap. Each time you finish a small step, your mind learns something important. I can do this. Celebrate small wins too. Did you drink more water today? Good. Did you sleep a little earlier? Great. These moments matter even if they seem small. Some days you will miss a step. That is normal. One missed day does not erase your progress. Just begin again the next day, step by step, day by day. This is how real change happens. Chapter 13. Let go of the past. Do you sometimes lie awake thinking about old mistakes? A conversation that went wrong? A choice you regret? A moment you wish you could change? This is called living in the past, and here is the truth: the past cannot be changed, no matter how many times you replay it in your mind. Thinking about old mistakes again and again does not fix them. It only takes energy away from your life today, the only life you can actually live. Everyone has made mistakes. Everyone has said the wrong thing at some point. This does not make you a bad person, it makes you human. Instead of asking, why do I do that? Ask, what did I learn from it? Every mistake carries a small lesson. Find that lesson and let the rest go. Forgiving yourself takes time. It does not happen in one day, but you can begin with small words. I made a mistake. I learned from it. I am moving forward. Say it slowly. Let it settle in your mind. Peace does not come from having a perfect past. Peace comes from accepting your past and choosing to grow anyway. Final words. We have covered a lot today. We talked about noticing overthinking. We talked about letting go of comparison. We talked about quiet time, body care, saying no, and simple routines. We talked about screen time, hobbies, imperfection, good people, small goals, and forgiving your past. None of these ideas are complicated. They are small, simple daily habits. But small habits done again and again create real change slowly, quietly, surely. You do not need to change everything today. Choose just one habit from this video. Start there. Tomorrow, add another. This is how a calm, focused life is built, one small step at a time. You are not broken. You do not need to be fixed. You simply need to come back to yourself a little more each day. Thank you for watching until the end. If this video helped you, please like it, leave a comment, and tell me which part spoke to you the most. Don't forget to subscribe as you don't miss the next video. Take care of your mind, take care of yourself. I will see you next time.